What is HubSpot? HubSpot is a CRM platform with all the software, integrations, and resources you need to connect marketing, sales, content management, and customer service. Each product in the platform is powerful on its own, but the real magic happens when you use them together. Get free CRM. Demo Premium CRM. Marketing Hub. Marketing software to help you grow traffic, convert more visitors, and run complete inbound marketing campaigns at scale. Popular features. 1. Lead generation. 2. Marketing automation. 3. Analytics. Get started. Sales Hub. Sales CRM software to help you get deeper insights into prospects, automate the tasks you hate, and close more deals faster. Popular features. 1. Advanced CRM. 2. Meeting scheduling. 3. Payments. Get started. Service Hub. Customer service software to help you connect with customers, exceed expectations, and turn them into promoters who grow your business. Popular features. 1. Tickets. 2. Customer feedback. 3. Knowledge base. Get started. CMS Hub. Content management software that's flexible for marketers, powerful for developers, and gives customers a personalized, secure experience. Popular features. 1. Drag and drop editor. 2. SEO recommendations. 3. Website themes. Get started. Operations Hub. Operations software that syncs your apps, cleans and curates customer data, and automates processes, so all your systems and teams work better together. Popular features. 1. Data sync. 2. Programmable automation. 3. Data quality automation. Get started. Learn and grow better with award-winning support and a thriving community. Learn how to get the most out of HubSpot with free courses, certifications, and resources, plus a legendary customer support team and an active user community to back you up. 158,000 plus. Customers in over 120 countries growing their businesses with HubSpot. Grow better with HubSpot today. With tools to make every part of your process more human and a support team excited to help you, getting started with HubSpot has never been easier. Start free or get a demo. Get started. Get started with free tools, or get more value with our premium software.